The ukuma pema spirits ne da na di obaba yara sports stadium. Nsoatreman FC epre no hoko share first goal Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Came back in the game e be twa mu 2-1. Kan ketesi Mukwala Dese and a Peter Amidu Akwa and a boy Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya sa victory e dia lifted the first trophy of the season for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the game ye hwe ya Nsoatreman bobo pa especially in the first half and omunyo game but second half Kotoko buy no better take no and na share go e the win and buy no starting 11 Akrobi Asante Kotoko de start say no Frederick Asare Richmond Lamti Justice Blaze Steven Dese Mukwala Sharif Muhammad Michael Che Dwamana Nuruddin Mohammed Peter Amidu Akwa Nicholas Mensah John Tereku and Emmanuel Korte the new signing yes we the first win for Kumasi Asante Kotoko after say Kotoko ekolusu or Karela no Emmanuel Korte enya the way a victory sit with Kumasi Asante Kotoko yes sana kubai now in the second half na Kotoko enya 2 goals ni nyina from Mukwala assist ni nyina na free player on that screen so the talented player I friend of Richmond Lamti and the assist ni nyina ma Kotoko forwards are the goal dem buy no in the first half about 45 minutes new year about 45 minutes new year no and I referee 6 minutes too so 6 minutes no in the second minute and Abdul Manaf nya abobi no cross oye and player friend Abdul Rahman and in ti gbangan and Koto Frederick Asare atenam ema Nsoatreman lead by 1-0 but second half ye buy no in the 58 minutes and Richmond Lamte Kotoko corner otuba ye no and player ye friend no Steven Dese Mukwala and then a 9 tape ball no and a koto atenem in the 58 minutes so in the 58 minutes it became 1-1 after 1-1 no Kotoko eshase presse ye papa Kotoko presse ya until say second goal for Kotoko no eba in the 69th minute Kotoko nya bobi Richmond Lamte defense splitting pass with try and Steven Peter Midwa kwa eso no so cross so ako goal line and abon deflecting e Koto atenem eno na de Kotoko match winner no e by o screen so a jerseys no Kotoko starting game no say yellow and Nsoatreman for no so no mo say yellow jersey in the first half no in about 20 minutes na jerseys no clashes so later on after 20 minutes there about and Kotoko white jersey ne buy ya players no ko share ya afi the ball no clearer kakra ye hwe to so ema ye de feel game no pan na in the stadium no player ye friend Richmond Lamte fans are waje no ho nya asem ketwa because of adea na obi ehwe say blasters hia no and o mane daidi e wo stadium wo second goal a wonya for Kumasi through him Peter Amidu akwanya for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no nya ball no wo mfimfin eno na broni beka say defense splitting pass wogina mfimfin and o ma incisive pass na ball ni ko deep Peter Amidu akwa on the wings into Peter Amidu akwa yes o cross no akọ deep cut no ono ko so okono in swing into yes in swing no and na defender ba ko deflecting na Koto atenem and na Kotoko dinya sa 2-1 win no na stadium when ya boaje no so Ghana for bowe me show so dodo na ahwe Ghana for mpanyifo na stadium mpanyifo ekukudan wo ho ya kase Richmond Lamte na Black Star no betima ba well it's a different topic and it's a different topic I will see and discuss but in a victory ne dey yensa mo Kumasi Asante Kotoko abaso Kotoko winning the first trophy for the season a big thing for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It boosts Kotoko confidence going to the second round of the league and Heart of Lions. I understand say a Saturday once again congratulations to Krobi Asante Kotoko.